So I assembled a chair from Lidl Livarno, the what they call desk chair with an adjustable tilt mechanism. Now, the first things I realized when I put it together, which looks a little weird, is why this plate is going on top of the other metal that sticks out. You see that has the bends. This goes on top. Logically, mechanically speaking, this would go first and then this one on top. This is for the backrest, so that's kind of weird. The other thing is that there are longer screws and shorter screws, so pay attention to this. This just sits loose in there, so I'm sure if I lift it up, I probably lift up the thing from the foot here. And the other thing that's a little weird to understand is this here. Okay, up and down, easy, fair enough. But what I did not understand was, like in the manual, hold on. The manual shows this movement here, like up and down. I understand this left and right or back and forth. That is not really true. I was hoping that back and forth. No, actually it's pulling and pushing. Pulling and pushing. If you push it in, it prevents from the backrest to bend over like spring loaded. When you open it, it allows the backrest to spring. That's it. So otherwise it's fine for the €56 that we paid. If you like this video, thanks for watching.